I bet you didn't know nature could be this breathtaking. Ready to witness Iguazu Falls like never before? Get ready to be mesmerized. Iguazu Falls, straddling Brazil and Argentina, is a sight to behold. From above, the cascading water looks like liquid diamonds tumbling into a lush green abyss. Feel the adrenaline as our drone dives into the Devil's Throat, the most stunning section of the falls. See the rainbows form in the mist, painting the sky with colors you never knew existed. Each second is a thrilling dance of nature's raw power and beauty. Whether you're a travel junkie or just love the great outdoors, this aerial view of Iguazu Falls will leave you speechless. Subscribe for more jaw-dropping adventures.